friends, welcome to Potos channel. We taught you how to cook ketchup in the previous video. Today we are going to teach a delicious Iranian dish in this video. Let's go to the necessary ingredients. 2 eggs, 2 potatoes, a clove of garlic, garlic powder as needed, red pepper as needed, and salt as needed. First, we peel the potato and cut it into pieces. Like this. In the next step, we pour pepper and potato in the water. We put the potatoes on low heat. We wait for 15 minutes until it is well boiled. Mash the boiled potatoes and add the egg. Stir a little. Add salt. Add garlic powder and stir. Grate a clove of garlic. If you like, you can add wheat flour. Stir a little. Our liquid must reach this tissue. Now you can fry it and eat it. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I will appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Good luck.